Are you a passionate person and you like to speak French? Well, this lesson is for you. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another lesson in our ongoing French course. In this lesson, we are going to look at a very particular expression to help you expand your vocabulary as well. The expression is to have a passion for, to have a passion for something. In French, it is translated literally word for word. Avoir une passion pour, to have a passion for something. So how does that look in French? Well, the expression to have a passion for plus a noun in French is avoir une passion pour plus a noun. So this expression followed by a noun. It's worth noting that the same idea, to have a passion for, to be passionate about something, in French can also be expressed with the verb être passionné par, also plus a noun. So for purposes of this lesson, we are going to focus on this expression here. And we're going to practice with that and add some vocabulary to your repertoire. Okay, so the first thing is you have to know how to conjugate the verb avoir, which you already know how to do. So this is just a summary here of the forms of avoir. J'ai, tu as, il, elle, on, a, nous avons, vous avez, and il or elle, ont. And of course, there is liaison here when you put these together. So ils ont, elles ont. So let's apply what we learned. We're focusing on this expression here. So if I want to say I have a passion for art, or I'm passionate about art in French, one way to say it is j'ai une passion pour l'art. J'ai une passion pour l'art. I have a passion for art. I'm passionate about art. Maybe it's not art. Maybe for you it's music, la musique. So putting it all together, you would say j'ai une passion pour la musique. I have a passion for music, or I'm passionate about music. Maybe it's not music. Maybe it's French cuisine. So la cuisine française. Putting it all together, if you want to say I'm passionate about French cooking or French cuisine, you would say j'ai une passion pour la cuisine française. How about traveling? Literally trips, les voyages. I'm passionate about traveling, or I'm passionate about trips, going on trips. J'ai une passion pour les voyages. Let's look at some examples with some different nouns. Les animaux, animals. Le cinéma, cinema or movies. La lecture, reading. La mode, fashion. Okay, so here we go. If you want to say I'm passionate about animals, or I have a passion for animals, you would say j'ai une passion pour les animaux. I'm passionate about movies, or I'm passionate about cinema. J'ai une passion pour le cinéma. I'm passionate about reading, or I have a passion for reading. J'ai une passion pour la lecture. I'm passionate about fashion, or I have a passion for fashion. J'ai une passion pour la mode. Let's try a different subject here and some different nouns. Les voitures, cars. La technologie, technology. Le jardinage, gardening. Les jeux vidéo, video games. So here we go. He's passionate about cars. Il a une passion pour les voitures. He's passionate about technology. Il a une passion pour la technologie. He's passionate about gardening. Il a une passion pour le jardinage. He's passionate about video games. Il a une passion pour les jeux vidéo. We'll try a different subject here. And of course, different nouns. We have la nature, nature. Le théâtre, theater. Le sport, sports. La danse, dance or dancing. So here we go with the examples. She's passionate about nature, or she has a passion for nature. Elle a une passion pour la nature. She has a passion for theater. Elle a une passion pour le théâtre. She has a passion for sports. Elle a une passion pour le sport. She has a passion for dance. Elle a une passion pour la danse. And let's finish up with a different subject pronoun. They, il. We have 3 nouns that we've used already. The last one, la randonnée, is new. This is hiking, la randonnée. Here are the examples. They have a passion for animals. Ils ont une passion pour les animaux. They have a passion for fashion. Ils ont une passion pour la mode. They have a passion for reading. Ils ont une passion pour la lecture. And they have a passion for hiking. Ils ont une passion pour la randonnée. Well, that's it for this lesson. Thank you so much for watching. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it if you'd give it a like or maybe a hype. To continue learning French and go on to another lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.